welcome to Wellness Lifestyle. I'm Cecilia, your health coach. Today we are going to unbox something that I'm very excited about. It's ceremonial grade cacao. I love cacao, and ceremonial grade takes it up another level with loads of benefits. So I purchased some ceremonial grade cacao from Aura. This is my first time purchasing from them, and I have been really excited for this delivery. So I wanted to share the excitement with you. I've got the packing list here. I ordered the variety kit and 16 ounces of the mystical mushroom cacao, and then they gifted me 1 ounce of single serving of the Tanzania, I think that's how you say it, Tanzania cacao. I've researched loads of different cacao companies, making sure that the ones that I support are doing it the right way, the most ethical way, the cleanest way possible. I chose Aura out of several others just to start with. They have amazing reviews, so I'm really excited to try this out. It comes in this compostable packaging material. Here is my cacao. I'm so excited. And there are a couple of ice bags here to keep it cool in any hot climate that you may be in. This one is the mystical mushroom. The features of this cacao is that it's calming, nourishing, grounding, and boosts your immune system and supports healing. So let's open it up and see what the little cacao nibs look like. I'm going to be making a separate video of how I make my cacao drink for a ceremony cacao. Maybe we'll do it together. Let me know in the comments down below if that is a video that you would like to see. Here it is. I'm going to take a bite and see what it tastes like. That is smooth. That's really good cacao. A little bit bitterness, which is expected for any pure cacao. Once we make the cacao drink together, I'll show you how to sweeten it up just a little bit in a healthy manner so we can do our ceremony together. It has a little bit of just a very slight salty aftertaste, which is nice. This is the ceremonial cacao variety package. Here is the Vibrant Vitality, a couple of the Tantric Rose Blossom, followed by the Oaxacan Spice, the Mystical Mushroom, and 2 more. Uplifting Uganda. And finally, the Thriving Tanzania. So there are 2 packets of each variety, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different varieties in here. If you would like to know the benefits of cacao and their medicinal properties, let me know in the comments down below. They were so kind to gift me a single serving of their Tanzania. Thank you for joining me for the unboxing of the Aura Ceremonial Grade Cacao that I have ordered. I am so excited to try it, and I hope you'll join me on the next video where I will be sharing some of the benefits and medicinal properties of the cacao medicine. Now, if you like what you're seeing today and would like some more valuable health-conscious content, let me know in the comments down below. If you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe and like my channel. I really appreciate it because it motivates me to make more videos like this for you. Until next time, be well. Bye-bye. It's today. Dropping things today.